Dredging America's ports and harbors is vital to navigation, national security, and our economy. Of the several hundred million cubic yards of sediment dredged from ports, marinas, and navigation channels each year, about 1/4 of it is responsibly managed at designated ocean disposal sites around the country. To ensure that ocean disposal does not harm the marine environment, chief scientists with EPA's Ocean Dumping Management Program conduct extensive monitoring at these sites. EPA manages nearly 100 disposal sites located in a variety of marine environments, from the temperate waters of Rhode Island to the tropical oceans around Guam. Monitoring ocean disposal sites requires specialized experience. Sites are in ocean waters up to 3,000 meters deep, and surveys are not sheltered from severe waves, currents, and winds. EPA chief scientists design unique survey plans for each location to include a site's characteristics and disposal activities. They gather a variety of data from sediment and water chemistry to ocean habitat composition and ecology. EPA chief scientists use different data collection methods based on the conditions at the disposal site, including sediment grabs, deep-sea imaging, and scuba diving surveys. They use the data collected to determine the best disposal management practices, like modifying the size of the site or adjusting the disposal zone within the site. The work of the chief scientists is essential to effectively manage ocean disposal sites. The information collected during these surveys ensures EPA will protect the marine environment and human health while maintaining the vital functions of our ports and harbors.